A big attraction returns, and a classic warning proves to be true again. Hey, what's going on everybody? Rick here, and this is primarily an Islands of Adventure update video, but a couple things I want to bring you up to speed on before we step into Islands. Over here at Universal Studios Florida, the Mega Movie Parade has returned. Today the parade is at 2 p.m. That time may vary a little bit, but it's not going to vary so much that it's in the evening. It is an afternoon parade. Just be sure to check the Universal app when you're visiting to see exactly when the parade time start will be for you. And something else has returned. Another big attraction, the sensational nighttime fountain and fireworks show. It's back, baby. I have a program reminder, and no better place to share it than the Epic Universe Preview Center. This Thursday, April 17th, we are doing a double live stream from Epic Universe, a morning live stream and an evening live stream. Make sure you have your bell notification clicked and turn on notifications with your phone to make sure you do not miss our double live stream Thursday at Epic Universe. All right, let's start making our way to Islands of Adventure. All of the construction walls have been removed from the Lone Palm Airport bar, and all of the patio seating and tables are back. The seaplane hemisphere dancer's not back though, but we can see where it's gonna go, and it should be back by the end of this month. We can see that the lines to get into Islands of Adventure are backed up all the way to the bridge today, which proves the classic warning about the week before Easter being elevated crowd levels. Those warnings are true. The parks will also have elevated crowd levels the week after Easter. Oh my goodness, look at these construction walls in the port of entry near the restrooms. These must have just gone up. They're not even painted, and they don't have any like movie posters in them. Wow, these are some very, very fresh construction walls. So this is an unexpected and important update. The restrooms at the port of entry exit are closed for now. This is Shadow Monkey's favorite time of the year. Here's another clue as to how busy it's going to be this week. Today, the 2-park Unlimited Express Pass is $372. That's right, I said $372. It's about 1 hour until lunchtime for me, so let's start in Seuss Landing today. That way, I end up where I want to be at lunchtime, which is Toon Lagoon. The Cat in the Hat ride is delayed, but the interesting thing to me is the sign actually says brief delay. I've never seen it use the word brief before. I wonder if all the wait time signboards have the ability to say brief delay. The ride is operational, but there are some construction walls around One Fish, Two Fish. Just a small part of the exterior though. Outside of Gertrude McFuzz and the Mulberry Street store, they are doing some flooring work. Looks like resurfacing work, and it's probably going to happen in the entire land, as a lot of the surfacing is starting looking a little rough. Into the Lost Continent. I'm very confident one day, in my lifetime, hopefully my lifetime, it will be transformed into something new and different. If I were a 25-year-old vlogger, I would feel very confident about that statement. But as it is, At this point in time though, Universal has to be thinking, it's cheaper just to add 2 new attractions rather than retheming the whole land. The Lost Continent actually has a pretty large footprint. Be pretty expensive to retheme the whole area. So either do the 2 new attractions or pick a theme, a retheme that kind of goes with what's already here. I used to work in the finance department of a couple major companies in the area, and if I were on Universal's finance team, that would be the stance I would be taking. Inside of the All Hallows Eve boutique. Look at this t-shirt here for $37. Halloween all year long, but thus far, no HHN announcements. Oh my goodness, look at this pajama set for $72. Alright, let's step into Hogsmeade and check on the wait time for Hagrid's, which still does not have Express Pass. Which is always something to be aware of if you choose to purchase those Express Passes. They don't work here, not on Hagrid's. It is a 95-minute wait for Hagrid's right now, which is a little elevated from last week. Last week we were seeing about 75 minutes for this ride. But honestly, every time I look at the wait time sign, I expect to see 90 minutes. Ah, Hogwarts Castle. Life is better here. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Velocicoaster. Universal Orlando's second best roller coaster. Anyone remember the TV show in the 70s called Good Times? I ask because when they reopen this food booth, I think they should rename it Dino Bite. I'm curious as to how many people actually get that joke. If you know, you know. We're getting closer to trying a brand new lunch item, but we're not there yet. Across from the river adventure is this food kiosk, Natural Selections. I do think they have something kind of new here. It's the sweet glazed turkey leg combo for $15.99. But we are on a quest for the new chicken sandwich in Toon Lagoon. Skull Island, Reign of Kong is utilizing the outside track again. It's been a while since they've had this outside portion going. I said going. Oh no, the bus has stopped. Oh, okay, there it goes. There it goes. And we've stopped again. And this is not my stop, sir. And we're moving. Uh-oh, I picked the wrong one to highlight. My apologies. There it goes. Are we good now? My apologies. That did not go smoothly for me, nor for the people on it, but the point remains. They are using the outside track again. Talk about bad timing. Or am I having good timing? 2 minutes to lunchtime as I enter Toon Lagoon. I even have time to pause for an action shot. The Comic Strip Cafe, home to a new check-in signage. This is the grilled Tuscan chicken sandwich. Ciabatta bread, provolone, mozzarella, arugula, tomato, sun-dried tomato aioli served with French fries. The platter is $15.49. Okay, I'm all done with my lunch and I feel like I just got back from Italy. That was a very good chicken sandwich. The ciabatta bun was amazing. That sandwich tasted like I just got it from Confisco. That's how good it was. There's been 3 new sandwiches at the Comic Strip Cafe. They've had the hamburger, the pulled pork sandwich, and then the Tuscan chicken, which I just had. The Tuscan chicken is the best of the 3. It was phenomenal. I was quite surprised. I didn't expect a lot from it, but I was taken aback. Like I said, and what bigger compliment can I give it other than to say the chicken sandwich at Comic Strip Cafe tastes like it comes from Confisco. Very, very good. Very well done, Universal culinary chefs. Alive and kicking. Make way for the heroes. We have a team meeting. Let's go to it, guys. After you, Storm. Wolverine's not even sticking around for the meeting. It's one of those days for him. And Spidey's a no-show today. Good pep talk. Well done, Cap. Well done. Spider-Man is a 45-minute wait, and they are not utilizing the single rider line at the moment. The Hulk is a 55-minute wait, and it is using the single rider line. If you are usually a Disney World vacationer and you like the Mad Tea Party there, the teacups, try Storm Force. Seems familiar, doesn't it? Don't forget, this Thursday the 17th, double live stream from Epic Universe. See you then.
It's gonna be a good day, Rick and Nikki show. It's gonna be a good